Welcome to Mrs. Meyer's garden.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. This sun feels so good.
Well, that's not very nice, honeysuckle.
What do you mean?
You're stealing Basil's sunshine.
Basil's fine. Aren't you, Basil?
I guess so.
Honeysuckle, maybe you could share your sunshine with Basil.
There's always enough sun to go around.
That's very true, Miss Peony. When you share your sunshine, everyone grows, including you, and that makes a happier garden.
Oh, I never thought of it that way.
Oh, well, thank you, honeysuckle.
Thanks.
Sometimes you just need to stand in someone else's roots to see how they're feeling.
Hey, Basil, if you need more worms, just let me know.